A Fàgail de Bheannachd.
Sin Shiv, ciamar a haisiú anisha. How's everybody doing now? Today I'm going to teach you a few ways that you can part ways after a céilí, or a visit, to Gàidhlig in Gaelic. You'll often hear folks saying Beannachd aig when they part ways. Beannachd, or people pronounce it also Beannachd aig. Beannachd aig. That means blessings with you. And the proper response to that is mar sin aig. Mar sin aig. Mar sin aig. So another phrase you can use is bí sin a bruidhinn. Bí sin a bruidhinn. Bí sin a bruidhinn. That means we'll be talking to you. And the person will respond to that by saying bí, we will, or I will, either one. And the next phrase means we'll be seeing you. And to say that is bí sin Gàidhlig. Bí sin Gàidhlig. Bí sin Gàidhlig. And the response to that one's also bí. So the last one is bí sin a seanachas. Bí sin a seanachas. A seanachas. Bí sin a seanachas. And that one also means we'll be talking. And you say bí, or the person responds to you by saying bí. So if you say that to somebody, one of those phrases to say goodbye, you might also say Gia na hashach. Gia na hashach. And that means God willing. So you're not taking anything for granted. And the response back to that is Rut a vias. Rut a vias. Rut a vias. That means like, que será, será. Whatever will be, will be. Siúla go déir san an drasta agus ha man dachas go naon si siú rotúr. Beannachd aig